Hi kids! Today, we're turning chores into a game and you are the star player. Are you ready to race? Let's go! Cleaning up isn't just about tidying. It's about being a superhero for your home. When you help clean, you're showing kindness, responsibility, and teamwork. Plus, it feels so good to play in a clean, happy space. Get ready, gear up. Put on your superhero smile and maybe even a cape if you want extra power. First, let's suit up for action. You might need a basket or bin for toys, a cloth for wiping, a mini broom. Every chore is a game. Ready to play? Let's do it. The Beat the Clock Challenge. Ready, steady, go. Zoom around like a speedy race car. Set a timer for 2 or 3 minutes. Your mission is to pick up as many toys as you can before the buzzer goes off. Basket toss. Grab your toy basket. Now, toss each toy into the basket from a few steps away. Every successful toss scores you a point. Can you beat your own score next time? Laundry ball drop. Time to be a laundry star. Carry clothes one by one and drop them into the laundry basket like a basketball dunk. Super sweeper race. If you have a small broom or a cloth, sweep the room as fast as you can. Pretend you're sweeping up magic dust. You did it. High five yourself. See you next time.